Welcome back my fellow plastic benders to 3D pen crafts made easy. My name is DK and today we will try to use the 3D pen in its normal usage to create plastic sheets. Let's use a ruler to get a nice square sheet. But first, let me get rid of this pink filament that my brother has been using. No worries everyone, he was making something for his daughter. He is nice like that. To make it easy for the final shape, I start off with a square border. This allows me to put aside the ruler and just fill in the area in between. By now, having experimented with producing sheets and penning, I can use my experiences to greatly help out. To ensure the best possible result in penning a sheet, we want to aim for a temperature that allows the plastic to have a strong melt. What I mean by this is when the temperature on a pen is set too high, it will continue bleeding plastic even after having stopped feeding it filament. In normal conditions and construction, this is extremely bothersome and immediately gets in the way of your workflow. But for penning something as a sheet, it becomes rather helpful. As the plastic already melts together while penning, it provides a tighter base and greatly reduces potential holes. But do make sure to hold up the sheet to fill in minor leftover gaps. Let's make another one for an extra experiment. I'm wondering how much impact would it have if we accidentally flip the pre-oven sheet around. Let's find out. Please ignore the black marks as that is some residue from all of the previously conducted black filament tests. Be sure to properly clean the barbecue mat to prevent this from happening. It might be a bit hard to see, but carefully inspecting the sheets and feeling across both the surfaces and edges, there actually is as good as no difference between the two sheets. They look, feel and smell pretty much similar to one another. The same goes for the back sides of the sheets. Suggestions, questions and requests are all much appreciated in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to reply and perhaps follow it up in future content. If this seems to be the channel that you would enjoy, please consider a like, share and subscribe. And join me in making some fun crafts. Thanks for watching and happy bending everyone.